Alright everybody, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about windshield wipers and your Honda. So maybe you've bought a new Honda or you've picked up a used one and it's time for some new windshield wipers. Well, I'm here to tell you, don't just throw your wipers away when you buy replacements. Here's why. A lot of people don't realize that Hondas come with these factory wiper arms. They're made by Mitsubishi usually, but these are an OEM part, and what Honda does is they are designed to just replace the little insert, the actual silicone part that goes inside of the wiper arm. So this piece right here is designed specifically for your vehicle, in my case my 2013 CR-V, and it's designed not to be just thrown away. So most people, when you go to a parts store, you pick up a new set of wipers, a lot of people think that this is just, you know, something that's meant to be thrown out as a unit. Well, the nice thing is you can pick up online or from your local Honda dealer. In my case, for my CR-V, I got a whole set of new wiper refills, and the whole set with shipping was $20. So for less than the cost of one decent replacement wiper, especially if you go to the parts store now, the prices are outrageous for wiper blades. You can get a genuine Honda set of refills, and in this case I got 3, so the 2 front wipers and the rear wiper refill for $20. So each vehicle is going to be different. I'll leave the part numbers for the 2012 to 2016 CR-Vs. So I saved these when I took them off, because I figured, being a 2013, this thing would have had the wipers replaced a long time ago. So once I saw I had the genuine Honda ones, I went ahead and held on to them. And since I'd already bought this set of aftermarket Michelins, which, by the way, are kind of crap, and it's time to replace them, I figured I would just use those. Alright, so these are easy. Pushing on the clip, remove the old wiper. So on my new one, we just have to slide out the insert here. Okay, so it's actually pretty easy. You just get a hold of the one side and we pull. You can see that it just slides out this unit here. We'll match up our sizes here. So here's our part, 76622 STK-A02. Alright, so here's our new one next to our old one. The old one has these little metal inserts in here that we need to pop out. Make sure these are aligned the same way. It says Mitsubishi right on them. So we'll stick the metal, transfer it over into the new one. On the wiper arm, there is a little set of arrows to kind of give you the correct orientation. So you just want to make sure it stays down. It's going to want to naturally curve. Just make sure it stays under the grooves. Okay, just slide it back in. Alright, now it's in its little spot. And click it back into place on here. And then it's obviously the same thing for the other wiper. So the advantage to doing this is not only do you save money and have the OEM wiper blades, which are obviously superior to the aftermarket. So you're saving money, but it also, especially like on the CR-V, the windshield is kind of a weird shape with the one larger wiper than the other. And a lot of the aftermarket universal applications don't really give you a clean wipe in every area of the windshield. So it does actually make a visual difference, especially when it's like a light mist or something and it's not completely just pouring outside. You'll notice that the wiper, the aftermarket ones, even though you spend a bunch of money on them, they're not working quite as well as a set of good OEM blades. And this side. The same thing on this side. There's a set of arrows I'll install them with the arrows. Okay, so again, once we've got this one centered, just kind of locks in place there. Snap it on. And then we'll go to the rear. The rear, pretty much the same thing. Yep, it's the same thing. These two little metal pieces go in here. Alright, so this one, it just slides in these little tracks. So I'm not sure if this is the original one or not back here. It doesn't say Mitsubishi or Honda anywhere on it. This one has one side that's larger than the other, so it looks like it can only go in one way. Yep. So this side is smaller than the other side, so it can fit in these tracks like this. Slide it right through the tracks. Make sure that the metal stays in there. Down to the last one here. Okay, then it kind of locks in to a little rubber cutout on the sides there. So yeah, maybe that is the Honda piece. So there we go. Now we'll just make sure everything is working and doesn't go flying off. All right. That is much better. So everything appears to be working good. Make sure nothing flies off. Alright, so that's it. Just a quick video today. Just show you that something maybe you didn't know about your Honda, that it comes with replaceable wiper blade refills from the factory. Those things are over $100 to replace those little arms. So if you just pitch them in the trash, you just threw a bunch of money away. So just keep that in mind. Alright, so until next time, we'll see you later.